Well, ho 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 there. Hey guys. Let's see. We have Maya and Micah. And Maya and Micah again. Well, hello to you too. And to anyone else who might be lurking in chat. Oh, that's kind of like a little Santa Clausy hat. Let's see if we can't do a little, hold on, in chat. I'm going to do a little Santa Clausy hat here. There we go. What do you think? Is that Santa Clausy? It's kind of Santa Clausy. Monkey? Oh, ooh. Yes, like a monkey. No, ho ho ho, like a Santa. Well, yeah, it's a pretty good Santa hat. That used to be like, before emojis came around, we had, what do they call them? Like emoji icons. So there would be no pictures. You would just draw stuff using your keyboard. Like this guy. I like that better. I like that better than actually all the emoji, because it's like really like creative, like someone's drawing something, fun stuff. That's a little bit of a get off my lawn, you young kids kind of a speech from me today. Well, how's everyone doing? Did you have a good weekend? Have something like that on your phone. Okay. Yeah. And sparkle. Micah, was your weekend sparkling? Did you have a sparkling weekend? All right, let's today's coding with Captain. And let's take a look at our coding stuff. Okay, so we're going to coding, we're going to go to Scratch. Here we are in Scratch. All right, I want to take a look at my stuff here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Do you want to build a snowman? This was what we did last week. Oh yeah, that's right. You press space bar. Oh my goodness, look at that. What? I just discovered something. Look at that. Okay, so what you're not seeing is that I'm using my scroll wheel. Why is that working? Oh, and look, when I scroll all the way down, it goes down. Hold on. Before we even start today, I got to figure out. Look at that. I'm using the scroll wheel. Okay, so look at that. Up and down are change size. So that is news to me, guys, that when you use the scroll wheel, it's like pressing up and down. Well, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. How was my weekend? My weekend was pretty good. I went to go see the Christmas and Lights, I think it's called. There's like a holiday light show at the fairgrounds where they give you these you drive. It's like $30 or $40 for your whole car, and you can cram as many people in the car as you want. And they give you these sparkly glasses that you can put on, and it makes everything super sparkly. So that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. That was pretty fun. Okay, so the big discovery for me today was that you can use your mouse wheel as up and down. Now that is really interesting. I mean, it just goes to show you that you work with a program for years. I've been doing coding in Scratch for I don't know, more than 10 years probably. And guess what? You learn new stuff every day, When are you done learning? Never. You're never done learning. Okay, let's see here. Yes, you should go with Juliet. You guys will love it. Are they like the ones in 3D movies? No, they're not. They're not. So 3D movie glasses are polarized. We can have a whole lesson on. In fact, we should have a lesson on polarization because that has to do with a lot with light and our, and in some ways related to pinhole camera. But no, it is not like a 3D movie. And a 3D movie, basically what it does is it tricks each eye from seeing something slightly different, and that is what gives you the idea of depth. So like when you look at something, each eye sees it from slightly different angle, and that's what lets you know how far away something is. So you can trick your brain into thinking things that are far away by making each eye look at something in a different way, even though it's flat. These glasses were like, they just kind of like, I think they just kind of like, they're kind of like rainbow glasses, you know? They kind of just like bent the light in a way so that it makes rainbow patterns out of the light. So I don't know if any of you ever need glasses to see and you take your glasses off, you know how lights kind of just like, they get like kind of starburst. That's kind of what like it all looked like, but like way better than that. Yeah, so it was fun. Go check that out. That was a lot of fun. That was one of the cool fun things I did this weekend. Okay, anyways, I wanted to take a look at my my previous. See, now look at this. I got all these things to delete. I wanted to take a look at my previous what is this one? On Title 13, it's already shared. Okay, get rid of this guy. I wanted to take a look at last year's. There we go. I wanted to take a look at last year's holiday apps. See how I get all these untitles just like clog up my whole inventory. Fruit Ninja remix. Oh yeah, that's right. We were trying to remix that. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Let's see if we can find last year's winter. Cat goes to the store. Happy birthday, Turner. Okay, so here's wintry scene. We did this one. Floating balloon. Was this the only wintry scene we did last year? Oh, here's holiday app. Here's another holiday app. Let's check out this one. Ooh, Operation. That is a good game to try. Spaceship. Okay. So let me just check out these two. Okay, so this one was a pretty famous one. This is where the snowman walks around and we have weather changing. I want to remix one of these today. I'm going to need glasses when I'm older. Like my whole family needs glasses. Yeah, I know. I started needing glasses when I was like in 9th grade. And every year I have to get stronger glasses. What I really wish I could do is just get some robot eyes, you know? Like Geordie LaForge in Star Trek. Or... So we got this app. This is the weather changing app. So we got snowman just walking back and forth, and then the clouds come in, and it's snowing, and then it fades away. See? Now it's sunny. So that's one app. What's our other app here? Click on presents with your mouse. Green flag resets the game. This is an example of a story-based holiday app. Notice how there is a movie format. Okay, here we go. I want to see Santa. Here I go. Ho, ho, ho. What's up, cat? I want to help you. Help me find 10 presents. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Did they go away? Well, this is a pretty easy app. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You saved the day, cat. This is a happy ending. It would be nice if you could replace your body parts when they hurt or they are broken. Like a people store. That's kind of like the whole basis. There's a new video game came out right now. And it's all based in that right now. About how you the more you change your body out, the more you lose your humanity. Pretty interesting. Okay, so so this app here, this was an example where I wanted to you know, like a lot of here, let me find you another example. Hold on a second. Let's see here. Oh, what's this? I am logged in. My stuff. Okay, let me pull up a couple of just other examples here. Okay, so let's do this one, this one. Oh, we got, okay, so we got all these different guys. Now let me find one that doesn't have. Okay. Like baseball. Okay, so a lot of times when we build Scratch games, it's like this, right? Here is the here's the game. You have to hit a home run, click, and it throws the ball, right? And the ball goes at different speeds, and you have to press space bar to hit the ball at the right spot, right? So you swing too early or you swing too late, you know, you have to like time the baseball. There we go. All right. So a lot of times when we make Scratch games, it's kind of like this. It's just like, boom, here we are. Like right in the game, go, right? This is maybe not a good example because you have to even click. There are some games where like it just like the action starts immediately. Like let's take a look at like sword combat here. See, so immediately, see how it just like starts immediately, and you don't even have time to read the instructions. So like this is like if we refresh the page, you see you just click go, and then oh my goodness, it's going, right? And you have to like block all the ninja stars with your sword, right? Ching 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 ching. Okay, that's like how most of our Scratch games begin. Then I have games like this where I set up this the game doesn't start until you click begin. So here's like a title screen, Spooky Treasure Hunt, click to begin, bye Captain, right? And so you have to like grab the coins, don't get touched by the ghosts. How many coins? I forgot I made this game. This is a super cool game. And what happens when you touch a ghost? They take all your treasure. And okay, so that's cool. So this is a game where there was a we had a title screen. Here's another one, Car Wash, right? Car Wash, click to start, by Captain, right? Click, and then here it is. You grab the things, you clean the car off, right? And then here's another one. So Radical Race. Here, press Z to start, right? So you press Z, and then your car gets going. You can go into high gear, touch the cars, right? So title screen, right? Title screen. I wanted to create an example where there would be a because some, you know, when you see like real like professional GIFs, what you see professional GIFs, I was reading the word gift. When you see professional apps, they have like sometimes like little movie trailers, like little movies that explain what's going on, right? And I wanted to create that kind of thing. I'm Aiden. Yes, good. Alyssa is his mother's name, so he must be logged into his mother's account. That happens a lot. People are on other accounts. I made a Flappy Bird game with my dad once. Oh, cool. You know, there's a great, on MrIncorvia.com, there is, under games, go to games, there is coding with Flappy Bird. This is kind of a good one that you can do by yourself. Okay.
Hey everyone.
It teaches you how to do it. simple blocks at the first. So this is a good one to do. Maybe that's what you and your dad did. What's this one? We just got Santa. He doesn't do anything. See inside. There we just got Santa. It doesn't do anything. Okay. So this was a thing where I wanted to create, like, you know, like an introduction. Oh, here's a movie that explains what's going on. Now the game really isn't that great. Ho ho, what's up, cat? Because the game is just click on 10 presents, right? Super boring. So let's remix this guy. Let's make this a little more exciting. We can make this game a little better. Let's do see inside. Can I not remix my own project? Okay, let's do save as a copy. Here we go, holiday app copy. We'll call this holiday app version 2.0. Okay, maybe lowercase version. Oh, okay, yeah. See, a lot of people have their parents' accounts that they're logged into, and that's smart. You know, you don't want to have to have your own account, remember your own password, and get spammed all the time. Okay, so we got this app here. We got this introduction. I want to see Santa. Right, here I go. Let's take a look at here. Ho ho, what's up, cat? Let's rename this guy Santa. Well, no, he doesn't need to be known as a whole string of. And we'll rename sprite 1 cat. Okay, so let's change. So what I'm thinking is, instead of just clicking on presents, we want to like do a game maybe where like you put presents, you put gifts into present boxes. What do you think of that? Okay, so I have my own account I'm using it with. Yeah, you do have your own account. You have your own YouTube channel. All right, let's get going. A lot of chat today, not enough coding. All right, so when I receive start game, show variable presents. Okay, so that is the thing that pops up here. When this sprite is clicked, if presents equals 9, broadcast. Okay. When green flag clicked, hide presents. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make a game where okay, so let's say we want to make a game where there's like if the kid is naughty, then they get a lump of coal, and if they're good, then they get a present, right? And you have to like make that decision real quick, right? So okay. My uncle got coal once. Oh no. Was your uncle was he on the naughty list? He must have been. Okay. So let's just grab this and get rid of it. Okay. When green flag click, hide. When receive start. Okay, so start game. This seems to be like when the game is going to start, right? So when I receive start game, show presents. So that's the number 1 up here. Okay. So that shows this. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to How are we going to do this? I'm thinking, like, is there going to be like a conveyor belt that goes along? You know? It is Hanukkah, that's right. Yeah, typically I have a fairly agnostic Christmas going on here. I mean, holiday stuff, and for this time it's like purely Christmas. Like last time we did snowmen, you know. Okay, so let's have like, um, let's do a new backdrop. Is there like something that looks like a factory or a workshop? Let's see. Nothing really. We can just maybe leave it the way it is. There's a jungle. There's a jungle. Or we can just like paint some kind of a new thing. We can say like, somebody's at my door. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second, everyone. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm back again. All right, so where's chat? Chat, come back. Get the letters. Yeah, it was my friend actually came over. Okay, so here we go. Let's just do it this way. We're going to do we're going to need a new sprite here. Let's choose a sprite. We're just use Apple for right now, okay? So Apple is going to be like, oh wait, we can just use gift for this. It's already set up. Okay, so we got gift, but we're going to change its costume. And we're going to do, let's just make a new, paint a new guy. And we're going to make a lump of coal, okay? So let's grab this circle. And we are going to draw it like this. There we go. The out, and maybe the inside is too dark. Let's just make it like a gray. There we go. That looks cool, right? Now let's just grab the warper and we're going to like bend it around. So let's make sure it's in the center. Grab this, twist this, grab that, twist it. Just kind of like morph it around, make it more of a lump rather than a circle, right? There we go. So there's our lump of coal. Looks like a lump of coal, right? Okay, and we're also going to want some other gifts. So let's get rid of this. We're going to just pick some toys. What could be a gift that you give someone for the holidays? Maybe this dog. Let's just add some more. Maybe a keyboard. You can get a keyboard. and maybe half of a watermelon. Okay, so here are our Christmas presents, right? Half of a watermelon. Coal, dog, keyboard, half watermelon. Okay. So at the start, when we click start, oh no, we're going to watch all this again. Okay, stop. So at start, we want to show. We also want it. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's watch the whole thing. Where my chat went away? What's going on? I'm gonna make a demon dog Ryer. My goodness. Okay, so there is our present. We want it to go to the top. So let's go to x equals 0, which is the middle, and y equals, what is the top? It's like 140? Nope, higher. It's like 180, I bet. There we go. Goes to the top, and then it's going to pick a random switch to a random costume. How many costumes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to a random costume. And then we're going to just lower. So repeat until touching edge. We're going to do change y by -3. And then when it's done with that, all right, let's just see how that goes. I want to see Santa. Here I go. Oh my goodness, I'm getting so many calls. What is going on? Okay, so there it is. But it's not repeating. Ugh. All right, guys. This is lame. I do have to go. I know that this was not like the super best, so I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to have an extra show tomorrow. Now. Read the secrets. I didn't. We'll have an extra show tomorrow to do more coding. Okay? I gotta run. I'll see you guys tomorrow.